there is not a single verse in the Quran which says, "O Arabs."
Why is it written in Arabic?
Because it explains. Because it's a detailed language. Not because of the Arabs he chose the Arabic language, or he was speaking to Muhammad. No, he never spoke a word to Arabs. He spoke to all mankind. Ya ayyuhan nas.
Well, if the message is God's message, it should be the same.
He's talking to all. No, I'm talking. Yeah, that's why you say Jewish. Why Jewish?
Well, they were the first ones with the word.
That's the you're getting wrong.
But they didn't share it.
Same. Arabs think
they reject the word.
No, Arabs also thinking that this is our book. I said, this is not your book, man. I spoke to many Arabs. I said, this is not, never claim your language is Arabic language. This language is God's language. Your language, your Arabic speaking, there are different dialects in Arabic language that keep on changing. Every language changes by the passage of time. You know this, isn't it?
Absolutely.
But this Quranic Arabic remains constant because everybody is memorizing all the time in life, from the ancient time to today. But the language Arabic has changed from time of history and still today.
Why Arabic came from Chaldean language?
Well, you can say anything what you want.
That's where it came from.
But Chaldean was there. The Quran speaks about languages. He says, all languages, I am the creator of the languages of the world.
Yeah.
And your color. Color, difference of color and difference of language is my signs.
Yeah.
And difference of nations are my signs.
Yeah. He created us and he created
the language
our
also.
boundaries.
Language also.
Well, he created language in Babel.
The Bible doesn't even speak which language it was brought down.
It speaks about the Babel.
No. It doesn't speak the word, like I will show you the Moses book.
When they built the Tower of Babel in Babylonia.
No. You show me one verse in the Bible that this language, not the Coney Greek or the Hebrew or Aramaic, does it speaks about language? Give me one verse.
No, it doesn't.
So why you talk you outside? I know this.
I'm talking about God
No, God doesn't know the language, but He's speaking language. I can show you the Quran. It says that I made the languages. And why He made the Arabic language, He gives the example. But this Bible is not even talking about languages. He doesn't know about language.
No.
So you putting the Arabic
God speaks every language.
I know all this, but your book doesn't talk about all this. It's all there. It's all here. He said, I can show you. He said, the language that mankind speaks is my sign. Different colors is my sign. Mm-hmm. And why I chose the Arabic language? He says, why? Because it's a detailed language. And he says, whatever, if you're not even Arab, if you can't speak Arabic language, and if you can speak Arabic language, if you believe it is a guidance and healing for mankind.
That's right.
It doesn't say you owe Arabs, not once. So,
yeah, I think the culture has kind of hijacked your religion, the Arab culture in some ways.
No, Quran, nobody has hijacked anything except the devil is playing the games.
No, maybe you're
and the majority are the followers of the devil, and God has given the permission to the devil to do the job, so he's doing a fine job.